what I'm saying? Sitting here at the barbecue truck. About to get some barbecue today. Check this out, man. Nice truck and everything. Nice truck. How you doing, sir? All right.
You got your list, right?
Oh, yeah, I got the list. Gotta have the list, man.
Otherwise, you're going to forget something.
I always forget something.
And even with the list, you forget.
Yeah, I know, right?
You'll say, did you get the phone?
Yeah. Yeah. Out here get some ribs. Heard they ribs was pretty good.
Everything here is good.
It is? You know, we found them online.
Did you really?
Yeah.
We don't live very far, so we pass it on a regular basis.
Okay.
But did you know that they're closed on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday?
Ah, okay.
So even if you're not going to eat it tonight, get it tonight.
Yeah.
Refrigerated for tomorrow.
Yeah, that's always
or
good.
Monday. You know?
Right.
Because otherwise, tomorrow you'll think, and you'll come up here and say, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're closed on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
They close. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I messed up on that last year, and I thought, oh no, I was looking forward to, something, yeah.
Right. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, the portions
I'm
are
excited.
good, and the price is reasonable.
Right. You can't beat that, man. Especially if you got good food, man. You got, and obviously they got good food. I see they got people coming up to the place.
Green sparkle shine. I like your shirt.
She say like your shirt. Say thank you.
Sparkle shine. That's good. Yeah.
You say thank you?
You're welcome. Good
It's
man.
my little Juliana right here coming through. Record trendsetters. Say hi, Julie, to the people. Hey. I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see the truck. Oh yeah, here we go. I'll let you know when we come back and we get the food. We'll be back in a minute. Say we'll be back in a minute. Trendsetters. Trendsetters. Yeah. Just wanted y'all to get to see the truck. That's what the truck look like right there. Nice truck, you know. Ribs, chicken, pulled pork. Rib, chicken, pulled pork. That's what they got going on here. Nice menu right there. You see this is what you're working with right here. A&G's Caribbean ribs. Nice menu. I got the grill back here. You know what I mean? There. Definitely about to see what this food tasting like. You okay,
Alright,
Julie?
first taste. Randall went to the Caribbean BBQ Truck. I'm excited. I'm gonna try the plantains. He's got
I got the rib sandwich.
You're gonna show him all the sauce.
Trendsetters, check this out. Rib sandwich right there for y'all.
I'm trying my
yum.
plantains.
They're good.
They do jerk
Test
chicken
it out.
and wings.
Test it out.
So let's see what we got.
You want a fork? Alright.
These are perfect. They're really
This is
sweet.
rib.
Nah, on camera. Does it have a smoke ring?
They're good.
I'm gonna try the chicken. We're outside of Sam's Club, so people probably looking at us crazy, but I like to have the kids eat before we go places if we can, so they're not acting as crazy.
Nice. You can taste the smoke in them.
Alright, I'm gonna try this chicken that Randall covered it in sauce. When he knows I don't like sauce on my barbecue. First bite. It tastes more like barbecue than jerk. I mean, I'm not mad at them, but it's more like barbecue chicken, smoked barbecue chicken than jerk.
The sauce is okay.
I would have got it without the sauce. That's the thing too, because I'm not really tasting the jerk. Yeah, I'm not tasting the jerk at all. The barbecue is good, but I am not tasting the jerk.
Yeah, these ribs, they could have did a little better. I mean, they good though. They nice.
Chicken's a little charred, but it has a good flavor.
Yeah.
Like the meat is still moist, even though the chicken is like, the skin is charred. I could taste a little bit of bite, but I think what happened is the seasoning got charred. But is it good barbecue? Yeah, it's good barbecue.
You like it? Fine. You want some more? Okay, you gotta keep it back there.
I'm gonna try one of Randall's ribs.
Yeah.
I don't really taste the seasoning at all.
Yeah, it's okay, man. You gotta
I can taste the smoke flavor, but not so much.
These ribs still not beating our ribs.
Let me get a rib.
Not at all. Will I go back? Maybe.
The sauce is good. The sauce is really good.
It's okay to eat.
The ribs are okay. They got a little dry.
I would have made it a little bit more spicy.
For the jerk, yeah. I think the seasoning just got charred. Anyways, guys, our camera battery is up. Well, our camera time is up, so we're gonna get off of here. Caribbean BBQ Truck is okay.
Yep.
It's okay. It's worth a try. The sauce is really good though.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Go back. Alright. See y'all next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Trendsetters. Peace.
Show us some love.
Red and Bunny tracks.
Subscribe now.
Ride with us. Ride with us.
5. Oh, stay